Flowers! Sacrifice all religion and worship for Quintus for Amazilian! My name is ImZimbali, your global superstar. When I say ImZimbali, you say flowers. ImZimbali! 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 Thank you so much. Welcome to HR Open Mic. Shout out for Roots. Shailen is under for Roots Nila. DJ, please bless us. Thank you so much. Tell us something about me, please. My name is ImZimbali. I'm a musician from K1. I also work for Hippo Radio. But as a host, then actually I'm putting a media content creator. Because I had concern about listenership. So you guys are my listenership. I'm my phone in Wenu, Niengu Safari or Google. This is Hippo Radio 247. Right now, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. So you better listen to Hippo Radio. It's Hippo Radio 247 everywhere. Thank you so much.
We believe.
Alright, it's the song that I'm calling. ImZimbali and ImZimbali everywhere on Instagram, TikTok, and ImZimbali everywhere before DJ Ataliangom. Everywhere, thank you so much. You guys are so beautiful. To my bosses, shout out. Love Jabuga Z.
Thank you. Give me the energy, guys. That's more like it. Okay, I need this following artist to please come backstage. I need Ghetto Boy, Les Worldwide, Tapson, YSSN.